first episode of Slimy Slime. We have 2 slimes today. And our vessel visit, Monkey Meow! I dropped his hat. Oh my god, where did he come from? Okay, well, here's your camera back. Okay, we have 2 slimes. Which one should we do? This one or this one? This one? Okay. If you look at it, it's very sticky. It's very sticky. Like very, not
How sticky?
very. Oh, that was nice. Okay. Let's hear this crunch. Moment of silence, please. 3, 2, 1.
That was nice. Hey, why are you doing that to the camera? Piece of slime fell.
Okay. Do you think that's it for the slime, or should I tell the ingredients?
Tell the ingredients.
So glitter, some little squishy balls, some gold, some. That's it. That's the end of the slime. Oh. Okay, that's another last one of those. This is what I do for a living. Can you believe it? Okay, so do you want me to pour this on my hand or just tip it?
Tip it.
Okay, that was juicy. This one's big, blue, and sticky. Did you just trip Monkey Mule? Go into it. My favorite part is when you clap it. It sounds like clapping your cheeks. Not these cheeks, these cheeks. I do that to my billiards all the time. We're coming for you. You think that's it? Or should we do more?
Do more.
Like, what do we want to do, Monkey Mule?